In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to limit adult websites on iPhone. This is important for promoting mental well-being, reducing the risk of addiction, and maintaining a healthier digital environment. To do this, simply head to your phone settings. And by the way, you can do this to your kids' iPads as well. You want to head to Screen Time. Now under Restrictions, head to Content and Privacy Restrictions. Select App Store, Media, Web, and Games. You will then tap on Web Content. Mark on Limit Adult Websites. Now down below, show some sites you want to be allowed. And also below, specify on the sites you don't want to access to on your device. By restricting access, individuals can better manage screen time, enhance productivity, and create space for more meaningful online interactions and habits. Well, that's how easy it is to limit adult websites on iPhone. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.